Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear right burner on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the burner is damaged, missing, or clogged. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So to get to our burner back here, we're going to remove this grate. Set that off to the side, and now we'll take the burner cap off and just set that off to the side as well. And now to get the burner off, all we have to do is just pull up on it. It's not screwed down or anything. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement burner. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So as you can see here, there's a couple of spots for where it goes over the screws, and then this spot right here where it goes over the igniter. So we're just going to line everything up, put that back on. Grab your burner cap, set that back on here. Now grab your grate, put that back into place, and you're ready to cook again. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.